Volkswagen brings an electrifying new sedan that is set to expand its ID family of electric vehicles with the upcoming launch of the new ID.7 midsize sedan. As the spiritual and functional successor to the now discontinued Passat, the ID.7 ushers in a fresh design language and features the latest electric vehicle technology from Volkswagen. At first glance, it's apparent the ID.7 draws inspiration from the stunning ID Aero concept revealed in 2021. The production version stays remarkably true to the show car with its sloping coupe-like roofline and sportback design. This streamlined shape, combined with active aerodynamic elements, helps the ID.7 cut through the air for maximum efficiency. Up front, the ID.7 incorporates Volkswagen's new face of EV design with a body-colored panel where the grille would normally be. Distinctive LED headlights and a full-width light bar make for a suitably high-tech front graphic. From the side, frameless doors and flush pop-out door handles enhance aerodynamic performance. Available 20 or 21-inch wheels fill out the wheel arches nicely. The ID.7 will launch with a rear-mounted electric motor producing 282 horsepower. Volkswagen says a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant with over 300 horsepower will join the lineup later on. Acceleration is quick enough with rear-wheel drive, dashing to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Maximum range between charges is approximately 300 miles depending on configuration. We found the ID.7 delivers a quiet, comfortable driving experience well-suited to daily commuting duties. The low center of gravity inherent to EVs provides confident handling and stability. Steering feel doesn't offer much in the way of feedback from the road, but appropriate weighting provides a degree of confidence. A bright and airy cabin space greets ID.7 occupants with premium materials and Volkswagen's typically excellent build quality. Front seats are well shaped to support a variety of body types. There's ample room for rear seat passengers to stretch out, although a lower roofline does impinge on headroom compared to traditional sedans. A liftback design enhances practicality and leads to generous cargo space. Volkswagen designers crafted a minimalist dashboard dominated by a 15-inch touchscreen display. The system is quick to respond and fairly intuitive to use. A unique air vent design can direct airflow via small electric motors rather than mechanical vanes. Other available features include glass roof panels, ambient lighting schemes, premium audio, and a head-up display. Standard advanced driver assistance systems provide a comprehensive suite of active safety technologies. The 2025 Volkswagen ID.7 goes on sale in fall 2024, with pricing estimated to start around $50,000. Exact trim levels, pricing, and options will be announced closer to launch. If it lives up to expectations, the ID.7 should give key players in the electric midsize sedan segment, the Tesla Model 3, BMW i4, and Polestar 2, a run for the money on value. As Volkswagen's first dedicated electric sedan, expectations are high for the new ID.7. It will need to capture the premium feel and driving enjoyment Passat owners have come love for over the years. From our early drive, it's clear Volkswagen still has some fine-tuning to do, but the fundamental elements of style, comfort, technology, and range are in place to make the ID.7 a compelling new entrant in the burgeoning electric vehicle marketplace when it debuts for the 2025 model year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.